And I think time is collapsing. And I think young people are in their bedrooms designing, solutions. The students would pick one of three and they would say, okay, that's my module that I'm doing in India or in Japan.
Oh.
And for the 7 weeks, that would be their focus. You've got a burning desire to do them and your framework won't let you, then you need to redesign the framework. Any school of the future, I think, has to trust the young people. They're gonna make mistakes, of course, but it's okay.
Yeah.
I can tell you from designing and building a program riddled with mistakes, where I would challenge parents to say, is it more of a risk to do a program like ours, or
stay in the conventional school,
or sit your child in a box for 7 hours a day? Young people, they want to engage, they want to design, they want to build, they want to prototype. They don't want just being spoon-fed information that they can pull off ChatGPT or Claude in nanoseconds. I think if you're going around with 30, 40 years of experience thinking that keeps you bulletproof, I don't see that anymore, because we built a framework that powered the PBL, and the PBL was powered by the design cycle and the portfolio, and competencies which were future facing. And I always talk about the triangle. I think if you can go through the fire, there are incredible rewards once you're through it. I think you become more attractive as an institution in regards to hiring. I think the kids learn more, learn in a way more fun way.
Transformation doesn't begin with technology, it begins with intent. The schools don't need louder slogans, they need braver designs. And that sometimes a single stone in the shoe is enough to spark a revolution.